Good morning, everyone. I'm Jaideep Mundra from BIKANER Polymers Private Limited. We're manufacturers of PET cans and jars, beverage cans, PET jars with plug caps, can sealing machine. In this video, I'll be talking about PET cans. PET cans is a combination of PET jar with easy to open end lid and a plastic cap on top. It can be a peel off lid, easy to open it like this. We have two varieties in this. One is called as the snap-on jars. In this, we have a snap-on cap on top, easy open and inside, and a PET jar. The combination of all these three is called as a PET can. The second variety that we have is called as a PET can RTC range with a threaded cap. It has a PET jar with a PET cap on top. It's a crystal PET cap and an easy opening. In this, now we have also introduced this flip type cap so that the customer can reuse the container much better. This fits properly and customer can open this. Customer does not need to open the lid. He can open the easy open from here and then reuse the container just by pressing the lid on top. This is called a flip top cap. We have sizes available from 50 mm to 100 mm. In the snap-on lid, we have sizes available from 50 mm, again 100 mm in a screw type lid. Various shapes are available: square, hexa, for packing ghee, snacks, cookies, ukwas, dry fruits. We have this range. We also have the can seaming machines. This is a PET can seaming machine in which the can rotates. I should demonstrate how the machine works. The can is sealed. You can put a cap on top. We also have a PET can head rotating machine for fragile products packing like cookies, beverages. I'll show you how the sealing is done. In this, the can will not rotate, only the machine top head will rotate. For products which can give a residue after sealing, this machine is for that. We are showcasing all our products in AAHAR 2024, hall number 4, first floor, booth number 19. Please do visit us. Thank you.